this morning, go see if we can find two barra or two kingfish, yeah man. See. Here I go for the boat there. Oh. Alright peeps, so we're gonna board the boat down so catch up on the water, alright? Yes, my peeps out there, you know. Extreme fishers at it again. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Yes, sir. The sea life is the real life. Same, bro. Yeah, morning, peeps, morning, yeah? Morning, morning, you know. Operation Killfish going on this morning. Yeah. Out to see me, peeps. See if we can find something, you know. Just leave out. Soon drop a line and see if we can hook up, alright? So just stay tuned. See if we can give some action today, guys. Alright, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, peeps. Soon come back. Peeps, this lure was given to me by a subscriber from in the US. So I'm going to test it this morning and see what I can find. Yeah man, Arvel subscriber, big up yourself, you know. I'm going to test the lure this morning and see if I can find something on it, you know. Yeah man, so. Yeah, my peeps, a lot of feeding the friends that are going on, you know, so see the bird them there. So they are feeding on some bait, so just passing back through them and see if we can find something more through them. Obviously, feeding. See the birds, viewers, a good sign, good sign. Just keep surfing and surfing and see if we can get this bite. But as soon as we get that bite, let you see it, alright?
Hey, go on left them man, let's go search.
Line up pass right through them now.
Yeah man.
Right through them line up pass.
Yeah man.
Run off now, something, jump on. Mostly bonito. Yeah, peeps, right now, you know, I'm going to change lure now. Change lure now. Take off this one. And go for Mr. Reliable. Yeah? This one never let me down enough, viewers. So, Yuzuru 3D. Polar chartreuse. Yeah, man, so I'm going to work with this one now. Now and see what will happen. Go and change my look. Yes, peeps. Ricky, pull that load for me. Watch your step back here. They're right near the top of him. Put the top of him for me. Gone straight through. Shit. The fuck? Alright. Yeah, my peeps, see there, you know. This is the first one for me. See him there? Nice barra, man. So, take him off down and get back out there. See if I can find something more. Tell you, say Mr. Reliable now, let me down view and see it. Tell you about the lure there, you know. Hey, look how it dig out the hole in something.
Yeah. This is why I see that. I see it without the hook.
Yeah.
Well, blood, lad. You can't get me. Can't go to here time, you know.
Where knife? Let me knife.
You know?
Yeah, peeps, see him there, you know. Soon get back to you. Goodbye, see it. Yes, peeps, still trolling, you know. Yeah, man, only two so far, you know. Bring a pretty man. Blouse and skirt.
Can't go closer.
First, I come on there, man. I always pass on the outskirt, but I never come over here. I always want to come on here, you know. Them pieces look like them untouched. Like no man no come here on landside competition.
Alright, next time go round. Okay.
Oh, I mean, the boy me back come check out the place, you know. One thing is, the water, I don't see no structure, no reef, no nothing. Just that. From landside look good. Water have good depth too. Show it to the rest of the team member, you know, because it seems like the person who Coleman Rock and see Coleman Rock, you know.
Yeah.
Tell him and about it and we come check it out and we get to love it.
Yeah.
I like the reef though, reef and grass and thing, I don't see that. That's the only thing. Jamaica shore fishing. Jerry the boss. Look on this, Jerry. What do you think about it, Jerry? Tell me what you think about it. Drop me a comment, Jerry, and tell me what you think. If this don't look like paradise.
You can hook nice fish around here now. You can hook. Like them not here now. No look like them here now.
Babes, you know, so I have to put the trailer short. Just when a fisherman break is trying to see him boat now start, so see that? But dry and boy, you know, find him strong, so I said I'm put it short today. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, come to the end of another one, you know. As I said before, see there? We are told the fisherman they are coming, so it's all the reach back now. share, like, and subscribe. Alright? Thanks for watching. Ricky, what you say? Hold on. Ricky, I see two of them. Put the load of yeah, peeps, see there, you know. One for Ricky, one for me. Alright, so thanks for watching again and see you next time. Alright? Ricky, we have to the people. People never hear you talking to no.
Well, don't respect our manners in general. Yeah, I don't know say fishing, we love it extreme.
Ah, peace.